Well, we started off yesterday, but we had technical difficulties with cameras and rain and everything else. A little clearer now. We got a better idea of what's going on. What needs cleaned and tensioned, checked over, carpet removed, that kind of good stuff. Gonna be easier to paint the walls too, since they're not in the van anymore. Let's take down this panel too and see what shape's behind there. Just to get an idea. Well, that was probably rattling and making noise. Alright, let's see. A wire nest. But aside from the wires, it don't look like it's too big a deal. Could use better insulation. But no worse for wear, I don't believe. And we're going to check up there and see what those ones are like too. If they're in good shape, we're going to leave them be and paint and prime them. If they're crappy, we're going to tear them out and replace them. Guess we'll move up there and see what shape that's in behind there now, since it's teardown day. Lost the screwdriver. Alright, ouch, toes. Alright, that don't look too worse for wear. I'm not sure I care how they secured it up there. A little janky, straight into the fiberglass or something. Ew, carpet. Battery's about to die. But more room for activities. Clean this thing up. Alright, relining the wall. That way it's waterproof. Now he's got to glue her down. So much fun. Painting more pieces with Captain Deuce while we're getting rained out. We got sunshine and the rain in one shot here. Yep, still raining. Lots and lots of rain. Burr. But today we'll hopefully video a little bit better. I'm gonna start off our morning with a little coffee. It always starts things off good. Captain Deuce is getting her morning nap in before we get started playing with the Runaway. Today we're gonna finish cleaning up the, I'm gonna say, closet area and clean more carpet out of this thing because there's carpet everywhere. Captain Deuce, don't want to drive no more or what? Not since you broke your toes? Alright, I'll do the driving, you just do the navigating. Deal? Cool. Let's see what kind of mess we have. It's bare. Oh, such good lighting, I say. There we go. So, yeah, they did such a great job with our wiring, I tell you. Alright, we got a loud and rattly furnace. It likes to make noise. We're going to see if we can fix that. We need to patch holes in the ship. These are just here for fun of it. Ta-da! That's where the battery box goes. So we get the battery box. I can put some video in there pulling that out. This is the black tank and the potty. So yeah, interestingly enough, Gray tank is underneath. Let's see if we can swing you in there. Whee! So that's where the tub drains. And where the sink and all those vents drain, and it's actually underneath the black tank. It's hard to see. Right there. But we're going to focus on all that later. Today we're just cleaning up the what we call the closet area. So all this just getting cleaned up, prettied up, and then put back together. Which one we got cut? It's like the fusing a bomb. Red one or the blue one? So we called in our backup, a resident demolition expert, Miss Deuce. Which wire should we cut? The gray one, the gray one, the gray one, or the gray one? Which one do you think? The gray one? You want to cut this one? The gray one? That's what you want? Food? You said I'll cut it for food. Miss Deuce says, cut them all, ain't? Cut them all. Come here. Thank you. See what this thing makes all the racket for. And with a little YouTube magic, we have a ready to paint closet area. Everything's been cleaned up and assessed, and we'll get everything painted up, and nice and boring, slow and steady progress. We got some painted stuff. Ceilings painted. Working on some walls, floors dialed in, and now we can start to reassemble shit. Tomorrow we're going to take a trip to Home Depot, but that's it for today, and we'll see what we can get into tomorrow after our Home Depot run. Morning trip to Home Depot. We gotta get polywall, so we can't take shiny car, it's too small. Guess we're gonna take the Runaway, and that means tire pressure check and walk around. Walk around in. Got a hole in our ship right there, but we know about that. It's where the battery box used to go for the shore power, or for the whatever it's called. Alright, supplies are loaded. Let's head back. Phone died, I didn't notice. But the walls are together. Everything's all tidied up, cleaned up, set up. Of course, we gotta put the furnace back in after we diagnose why it makes so much racket. But hey, you can see we have a finished closet again. Needs trimmed up. No big deal there. And the cabinet door and all that kind of stuff. We just ran out of time for this week, so we'll be playing with that next week. But that's the end of this video, and thanks for watching.